Thanks for watching tonight's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed tonight's content. It was an awesome meet. Always a great event put on by Redline Sorority. Just such great people that come out and support them, and very, very respectful. If you stayed this long into the vlog, Thank you very much. I greatly appreciate it. And I want to give a massive shout out to everyone who has supported the channel over the past almost 3 years. There have been a lot of dedicated individuals that are always commenting on each video, sharing the positive vibes, and giving me great feedback. But I have to unfortunately say I am stepping away from YouTube for a while. I just am really struggling with the fact that a lot of my recent videos that I've been putting out are not getting any views. The channel growth has become very slow, and I've been watching a lot of other vloggers, friends down from the United States and other places, and their channels are growing and doing very well, which is amazing for them. And I just feel that the amount of time and effort that I put into making all the YouTube videos and not being viewed, it's kind of not worth my time. So I'm gonna step back, reevaluate what I'm doing, and see what I can do to reignite the channel, or just move on to something shorter like TikToks, Instagram stories, other things that people actually respond to and want to watch a bit more, from my opinion. So thanks for all the support. You guys are amazing. Once again, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, let me know what you guys think. Got any ideas? Got any feedback of what do you think I should be doing? But have a great night. Peace.